I'm investigating an odor complaint.
Do you have a warrant, sir?
Can I ask you a question, please, sir?
You have a nice day, sir.
Get off my property, you're trespassing. Do you have a warrant? Get the off my goddamn property.
One thing we mention often is that you should record every encounter you have with state officials. We word that sentence purposefully. Recording the police is a no-brainer at this point, but what about other government employees? A viewer sent us these videos after a representative from the Harris County Pollution Control Office came to his home to ask questions about an odor of smoke coming from the home's backyard.
How you doing? That way. Turn around. Turn around. That way. Turn around. That way. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Can you please
turn around.
Fire?
Get off my property. You're trespassing.
I'm not.
You are no. You are trespassing.
I have authority to be here, sir.
I do not know that.
I'm responding to a.
Out.
I'm responding to an
Out.
odor nuisance complaint.
Out.
That involving your
now.
burning.
Out.
It's illegal.
You do not have any authority.
I do, sir.
Constitutional rights, buddy. Get the off my goddamn property.
Okay.
Do you have a warrant?
I'll call the fire
Do you have a
department.
warrant? I don't care who you call.
I'll turn the fire
Call whoever you want.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Can I get your name?
Bye. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Trespassing. Bye. Do you have a warrant? Get the off my goddamn property.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day, sir.
Without a warrant or evidence that an outdoor fire is being used to dispose of household refuse, the pollution control personnel has no other choice but to leave the property. If a violation were suspected, the homeowner is still protected from warrantless entry and does not have to answer questions. Instead of calling the fire department or police to further investigate the alleged offense, the representative returns.
Can I help you?
Yes, sir. My name is Robert Cruz. I'm with Harris County Pollution Control. May I speak to the person of the house, please?
Well, not here right now. Can I help you with something?
I'm investigating an odor complaint, and I see some smoke coming out of the backyard. I saw it coming out above the fence. That's how I noticed it. I want to see if you're burning back there, and if you're burning, I want to see if you're cooking or if you're burning.
Do you have a warrant, sir?
I beg your
Do you
pardon?
have a warrant?
Oh no, I don't want to go inside your house. I just want to see the backyard of your house.
Okay, well, I'm sure you can look through the fence.
Okay, do I have your permission to do that?
To look through my fence? Yeah, you
Yes,
just
sir.
go on Blackhawk and just look through the fence.
Let me ask you, is there anyone here that at the home?
Well, you have a nice day, sir.
Can I ask you a question, please, sir?
You have a nice day, sir.
Okay, thank you.
After looking through the fence, the man returns to allege that he witnessed a burn barrel smoking in the backyard.
May I help you?
How you doing, sir? This is Robert again with the Harris County Pollution Control. I did confirm that you're performing an outdoor burning in a burn barrel in your backyard. Now, do you have permission to do outdoor burning for disposal?
You have a nice day, sir.
Okay, sir. I will call the fire department, so they will respond, sir. Can you please extinguish the fire, sir? Hello, sir? Hello, sir?
We already know what some of the commenters are going to say. You shouldn't be burning in a backyard. It's illegal. Don't do it. It's not right. Yeah, but. Fine. But aside from that, please drill this into your head. Without a warrant or exigent circumstances, no government official has the lawful authority to enter your home or property. They may be trespassed, and answering any questions will only be used to help prosecute you. So shut your mouth and film everything.
Do you have a warrant? Get the f off my goddamn property.
Okay.
Thank you. Have a nice day, sir.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video, use the submit link in the description or pinned comment. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe and hit the bell for future content, and check out our other channels, Lady LackLuster and The Odd Side. Remember to like, share, and leave a comment about what you think of this interaction. It's the easiest way for you to help expose corruption and misconduct. Merchandise is available using the links below. Join the LackLuster family for just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel. Get a Lack logo next to your name, custom emotes, and early access to videos. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. All links are down below.